So, this is what I'm making you today, vanilla extract. So, this is going to turn into this. In about a year, you could wait 6 months to a year, but the longer you wait, the better it'll be. And look at that, eh? Isn't that just 2 ingredients? So, let's get to it. I have 8 vanilla beans. A bunch of little cuts in the center, because that's what's going to give you all your flavor. Homemade vanilla extract. Yum. Got a bit of a cold, so my voice is not all there. So I have, this is about, to the rim, it's 2 cups. This jar. What we're gonna do, and put all the vanilla in, but know what I'm gonna do? Just break it and put it in this way. See? Perfect. Then I'm gonna add some vodka to this. We need vodka in here. That's what's gonna make our vanilla extract, right? Your choice of vodka, fill her up. This is just perfect. So this is 375 milliliter bottle of vodka. And just add it in there. It's perfect size for a jar. This is like a 2-cup jar. Perfect size. And this is it. Got 8 beans, vanilla beans in there. I've got online, and they're fresh too, nice and soft. And vodka. So this is what's going to make our vanilla extract. But you could use this in 6 months to. I'm going to wait a year till Christmas, and then I'll start using this for a Christmas baking. It's the best. And look at this, eh? Look at that. Isn't that nice? So we got our vodka and our vanilla beans, and boom, you have vanilla extract. It's that simple. Anyway,